This unit is a Komatsu 22M-06-23101 information display and is used to monitor the fuel level, engine oil, temperature, and operating hours of a piece of construction equipment, and was repaired by ERD with our 3-year warranty. Here you see the Komatsu Instrument Cluster being tested to ensure proper operation after the repair. ERD repairs and refurbishes a complete range of OEM industrial electronic equipment, from complex robotics to basic boards, and will evaluate and quote your unit on the same day.
We can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.